So I finally decided to check out the door lock system on my 2009 Toyota Isis and mustered the courage to just take it all out. Most of these actually you just pop them out and then you can just pop them back in. Now my door cannot open from the inside. Open from the inside, but what I realized is that this system here, if you pull that extensively, then you can be able to actually open. So this does not pull far enough. It does not pull it far enough. So it doesn't pull it far enough. So I need to actually make sure that I can put something here to just pull this lever further down. Let me show you this lever. You see that? That opens it up. That opens it up. So if I'm able to just get something in here to pull it far back, something at the back here, then maybe I can repair that. It's actually locking okay, but opening this doesn't pull far back. Now these locks always have these kind of issues because they really something is bound to break down as you try to go to work and come back and with the kids every day. So I decided to get the tie wrap. Hopefully I can put it somewhere in here and get it right there. And then when I pull, it will be able to pull this lever, and hopefully that will remedy the problem. Well, it always costs something to get something to look at it, and by the end of it, you don't even know what was repaired, and you can't help yourself next time. So, if you're a DIYer like myself, then you can always get to learn something new. Okay, so let me see whether I can get something working here. Okay.